Jai and student, today we are going to discuss the same case study in the chapter staffing. The question number 6. Asa Shetty was the working as a human resources manager in the famous consultancy firm KLI Global Service. Her job include preparing job description, recruitment, deploying compensation and incentive plan, facilitating the employee learning. They had entered into the alliance with the institute to ensure continuous learning of their employee. With the job of becoming more and more complex, Global Service invest large amount of money in making the employee learn the skill necessary to complete the job. Instead, by giving any 5 point how the investment like the benefit to the organization. The answer for this question, by providing the training to its employee, KLI Global Service likely to be a benefit in the following way. First, training program was organized in a systematic manner, मीन्स जो ट्रेनिंग है वो सिस्टमेटिक मैनर में रहे, सो टू अवॉइड द वेस्टेज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज ड्यू टू द यूज़ ऑफ हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड. Second, trading lead to increase the productivity of organization both in the quality and quantitative terms, and this lead to the profitability. Then, training seek to prepare the employee take charge of higher positions. D. Training enable the manager to deal with the problem of absentees and employee turnover. This is because it fosters the self confidence and boosts the more employee. And training equipment manager with the required technical and marginal skills so on to facilitate the transition with the organization in the light of the change in the human environment. Next, the Vandana Public School has vacancy of math teachers. They were looking for a smart and creative teacher having a drive of excellence. As the advertisement was given in all the leading dailies, since the response was huge, the school examined all the applications from the rejected candidate who did not have the necessary qualification. Thereafter, a test was conducted to measure the exacting skill of the candidate. After that, it was followed a formal depth conversation with the principal of school and panel of math expert. The first explain the step has been performed by the Bandana Public School in the process of identifying choosing the best candidate, and the answer for this question, the step have been performed by the Vandana Public School in the process of identifying choosing the best candidate. First, preliminary screening. The first step in the selections process involved preliminary screening of the candidate. Preliminary screening is the undertaken with the objective of eliminating all those applicants who do not fulfill the minimum requirement of the job. This may carried out either in the person where the candidate is asked to appear for very short interview, or only the application may be scrutinized. Second, selection test. Different type of selection test may be carried out in order to evaluate the candidate on the different parameter. One of the advantage of selection test is that the free from all kind of personal bias, and this is important test use selection procedure, that is intelligence test, aptitude test, personality test, trade test and in-test test. Then employment interview involve the face to face interaction between the prospective candidate and the interview. Give the name also meaning of the test which are conducted by the school, that is trade test which is conducted by the school. These tests seek to measure the knowledge, skill and proficiency that candidate possesses with regard to particular job position. Thank you.